Hello, my name is Lillian Schmitz. The date is March 29th of 2021. On the back of my note card here, I just have some information to follow along with for my presentation. So today I dissected a chicken wing. I've got my chicken wing right here, and I actually threw away my gloves, so I wrapped the ends in saran wrap so I can protect my hands. I don't have that many gloves, so this is my way of being resourceful. So first we'll go over the bones of the chicken wing. So we've got our radius up here, and then we've got our humerus up here. Radius is the superior bone here, and then the ulna is the inferior bone here. So one thing I noticed is when I took the muscles away that it used to extend like this, and now it doesn't. So that is one thing I did notice while dissecting this. But next we'll go over the joint and the parts of the joint. So first we have the articular cartilage. So you're going to find that at the ends of the bones or the epiphysis of the bones. So I actually dug my fingernail into it a little bit, and I could feel that it was a little more smushy than the actual bone itself. So you can almost feel the difference there. But you can kind of see it at the end there. It's where it gets really white at the end of the bone. Almost looks like a little balloon in there. Next we will go over the articular or joint capsule. So that is going to be the capsule that surrounds the joint itself. So I guess it's kind of hard to see here. There's still a few ligaments on it that I didn't cut off. But so our joint capsule is going to be this capsule that surrounds the joint here. Surrounds where the bones are going to meet. And then inside that joint capsule is going to be the synovial membrane, which is going to hold the synovial fluid. So again, that's kind of hard to see here, but it is there. It does exist. This was once a chicken, so it needed to have those. So a disease that affects the joints that I chose is rheumatoid arthritis. So in rheumatoid arthritis, the body's immune system attacks its own tissues, including the joints. And then in severe cases, it can actually it can attack the body's own internal organs. So rheumatoid arthritis affects the synovial membrane, and it causes it to swell. It causes it to become inflamed, and this can be very painful. And then after a long period of time of having rheumatoid arthritis, the inflammation associated with the swelling can cause bone erosion and joint deformity. So again, the thickening can eventually destroy the cartilage and the bone within the joint. So I got that information from Mayo Clinic, and this was my chicken wing dissection. Thanks for listening.